If you want to blow up on YouTube or TikTok and make some serious monthly income, pay attention, because this niche I'm about to share with you is one of the easiest ways to go viral. I mean, crazy easy. The best part is still wide open because a lot of people don't know how to create videos for this niche. So yeah, the earlier you jump in, the better. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to make videos for this niche. Have you ever come across those chat story videos? You know, the ones with text messages playing out like some intense drama, fake friendship betrayals, dad angry replies, rude bosses, or even cheating stories. They are super addictive, and trust me, they fly on TikTok and YouTube Shorts. What's crazy is most people think these stories are real. I know Facebook people think it's real. Nope, all of it are made up. Let me show you how you can create videos like this step by step. My name is Charles. Let's create something viral. Now here's the video I just created. I did this without any form of editing. I used a tool which I'll be sharing to just quickly create the video. You can create up to 20 videos in a day with this method. To get started with creating this type of videos, you need to first create a script, and your script can fall under any of these sub niches. It could be conversational stories with a friend about controversial topics. It could be something funny, relatable, or like a debate on relationships, personal values, or embarrassing situations. The more relatable, the better. You can also create stories on how to approach someone in public. This could be at the gym, at work, or even at a coffee shop. You could make a story about the awkward but funny back and forth of starting a conversation, you know, throwing some humor, maybe a twist or something weird, and boom, you've got viewers hooked. The next sub niche is rude bosses. Now these never fail to grab attention. You can create a scenario where your boss is being unreasonable, maybe asking you to come in on your vacation, you know, taking credit for your work, or even making inappropriate requests. The best part, everyone loves to see the underdog fight back. So make the ending satisfying, like the employee quitting and reporting the boss to HR and stuff like that. And finally, cheating stories. These are pure gold. You can spin a wild story about how your boyfriend or your girlfriend, you know, cheated on you, and then, you know, the crazy way you got revenge. You know, people eat up these type of stories because, let's be real, everyone loves a little drama here and there. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button, drop a like, and stick around because we are just getting started. Now, here's the deal. The best scripts are natural and flow like real conversations. So the goal is to keep it simple, relatable, and engaging. If you're creative and can come up with a juicy idea on your own, that's amazing. Run with it. But if you get stuck, don't worry. I'm going to show you a tool that will do basically most of the work for you. So what you're going to do is to go to this website, vid.ai. You can generate short videos quickly without the need to edit. On Vid AI, you can make YouTube shorts, Instagram reels, TikTok videos, faceless shorts, story shorts, facts videos, and all sorts. These basically helps you simplify content creation process. This tool is amazing. So we are going to hit on try it now. Enter your email address and click on send magic link. A link will be sent to your email, and you can use that link to log in straight to your Vid AI account. This video is sponsored by Vid AI, the AI tool that makes creating YouTube shorts easier than ever. A tool created by Matt Parr. You might know him from the Make Money Matt channel. Now, if you don't know Make Money Matt, let me fill you in real quick. He's a YouTuber. The guy runs 12 plus YouTube channels, and he doesn't even show his face in most of them. He's built a massive system around YouTube automation, turning him to a millionaire, and he uses this tool to run his channels. So you can try Vid AI and take your YouTube Shorts channel to the next level. The link is in the description. Use it to try it out. So once you're logged in, you're going to click on new project. Now you can see you can create faceless shorts video here, fake text videos, Reddit story, auto captions, and all. Would you rather type of videos or scenarios and stuff like that. and you can also do split screen, but these features are coming very soon. Maybe by the time you're watching this video, it's already available for you to use. So we are going to be clicking on fake text because we are interested in creating fake text videos. So click on fake text, and then we enter the project name. We can just use Project Influential Rabbit. Click on it, create, and yep, now I've clicked on create. Now you can see here AI script, use sample data, swap text, emphasize. So you click on AI script, you can click on prompt. We are going to tell the AI heated text conversation between boss and angry employee, 2 characters, no intro, show dialogue, natural. And then the tone, we are going to leave the tone as natural. And then we select tone, we are going to leave it at natural, and then select the chat length. We'll leave it at 20 messages and click on generate. So we are generating the script right here in this tool. So we have generated the text, very easy. So you can see here, this is the sender, this is receiver. You can change this. If you want to change this from sender to receiver, you can change by clicking here, and you can change it to receiver. And then you can change this from text to image and stuff like that. So you can edit it the way you want. If you don't like a particular text, you can delete this part, or delete anyone you don't like, or select as many as possible. Or if you want to move it up and down, you move this up, you can just move this up and move it down. Now I will show you the most interesting part of using this tool. So here that it says Grayson, we can change the name. All right, we can change the name to Clinton. All right, and then click on save. Change it to anything you want. You can add an image also, so that the profile picture would show just like a phone somewhere here, but we're not going to do that. All right, the next thing we are going to do is to click on theme, and we can use this theme or this. We're going to use this popular theme, which is the white background, and then we're going to click on video, and then we're going to select a background video. Now videos like this perform well, so sort of like a game video or a satisfying video, so you want to use either of them. So you can choose any of these videos. They're going to add more videos here. So you can choose this and then go to the next one, which is audio, or upload your own video. So you don't have to use the video that is here. If you don't like it, you can just click on upload and upload your video. Now we have our background video set. So the next thing we're going to do is to click on audio and then set the voices for the receiver and the sender. So you can see here that they have lots and lots of voices that you can use. All right.
Because you might not get there. Ideas are the beginning points of...
These voices are very good. So I'm going to use 2 voices. I'm going to select the first voice for the receiver. I'm going to use what for the receiver's voice, and for the sender's voice. So I'm going to use this serious mail. Sounds very serious. So I've selected for both sender and receiver. And over here, they have filters that you can use to filter the voices available. Now another thing that is absolutely mind-blowing is that they have background audios that you can select. There are different background audios that you can select from here. If you don't want to upload your own audio, you can select ones that are here. Let's play this. So you see they have audios that you can use. Play this. So I'm going to reduce the volume. I like this. All right, now we are done. Everything is ready. We have the script, the theme, the video, the audio. Now this didn't take me up to 5 minutes and I'm done. Very easy. Now what we're going to do next is to save and then click on render. We're going to click on render to have our video. You can see how easy it is. No form of editing at all. Now the video is generating. While it's generating, I'm going to show you something interesting. If you click on Faceless shot here, you can generate videos. You can generate normal type of videos, and it's very easy. All right, you select a popular topic, maybe fun fact, scary stories and stuff like that, and then enter the prompt. What type of video do you want? Maybe a scary video of a man and wife. All right, so you select the topic. I'm going to select fun facts. After choosing fun facts, for example, you can just say, oh, 10 facts about, all right, and then scroll down and choose a voice. We are going to make this fast. We're going to use Matt's voice, and then You can either generate a video type thing where there'll just be different images showing a caption, or you can generate a gameplay type where you select a gameplay video and then the story would go on in the background with the caption already there, or you just pick a viral video and sell your story. So for example, we can choose an image, we choose anime and then click on generate content, and then we click on next and then click on generate, and then it's going to generate a video.
Did you know dogs have been our companions for over 14,000 years? They're known as man's best friend.
Let's go back to the video that we just generated. Let's watch the video. Let's download the video. We can just click here to download, and we have our text story video here. Now let's watch the chat story video that we generated. Let's play it.
I can't believe you did that.
What are you talking about?
You ignored my last email completely.
I was busy with urgent projects.
That's no excuse for leaving me hanging.
I thought you could handle it alone.
Handle it? I needed your support.
Support goes both ways, you know.
I always support the team.
Maybe you should communicate better then.
This isn't about me. It's about teamwork.
Teamwork requires understanding from everyone.
I'm trying to understand your perspective.
Are you really, or just venting?
I'm frustrated because I care.
Caring doesn't justify your anger.
I just want to be heard.
Then let's talk face to face.
This is absolutely insane. This is insane how easy it is for you to create a chat video that people spend hours editing. I just did it under 5 minutes. It's crazy. You can see how easy it is creating this type of content. All you have to do is repeat this process and create more videos. You can create 20 in a day. In fact, in 1 week, you can create 3 months worth of content. So if you're ready to automate your YouTube Shorts creation and focus on growth, Vid AI is the tool to use. The link is in the description. You can check it out. Now, if we go over here and click on pricing, you see that the tool is $67 per month, which I think is a fair price for all the stuff that you can do. You don't need to edit short videos again. Just tell it what you want and you have your video set. I think it's fair enough. It's a fair price for all the stuff that you can do. If you have questions, drop them in the comments and I'll take my time to reply. I've got you as always. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more useful content. Like this video and share it with someone who needs to see this video, who needs to grow, who needs to make money on YouTube. And hey, if you've enjoyed this one, you're definitely going to love this next video. I made it just for you. Go check it out.